Hi, good morning or good evening to everyone. So today's in this tutorial we will be discussing about the command line options. So in the last video you have seen about how do we comment a line or a code in Perl programming. So now we'll be seeing a command line options while we run or execute our Perl programming, right? So here the command line options are very important point that need to be noted here. When we execute our program or the Perl script, there are two ways we have executed, right? One is going to the command prompt, giving Perl space hello.pl was the one option, and using a shebang code, that was the other option, right? So if you want to see the warnings and the messages when you execute or run your program, so then we have to use a command line option. There are several set of command line options that are being provided by the for the Perl programming. So let us see one sample example of it. Okay, many options to control execution of the programs is nothing but it's a command line option. For example, -w turns on the warnings. So how do you write this code? So use on command line Perl minus dash w hello.pl. So when you type this command, it will display a warning. If there are any warnings, that will be displayed onto the screen when you execute it. Or in shebang line, you can use -w into this line, so that when you execute it, so it will display all the set of lines on the screen, and it will be very much useful so to debug when you're writing a specific program. So this is the important point that you can make sure. So suppose for example, if you are using Perl -c hello dot pl, it will check for all the syntaxes, and it will execute step by step, and it will show you all the results there. Okay, so this is all. So you have several different options like -c, -o, -p, -i. There are several set of command line options that can be used. The most widely used is a per -t, -w or -c. So to check the errors and to check the warnings during executing or during running the program. So this is how a command line options will work in Perl. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and pleasureful day or an evening.